I discovered an incredible replacement for relaxer that has no harmful or cancer-causing chemicals, no formaldehyde, even when heat is applied on top of the application. And the effects can last for up to 6 months, and my hair remains frizz-free through humidity and rain, which is something that's never happened before. Cezanne showed me that black hair grows as quickly as anyone's, but our hair has issues retaining length because our tighter curl pattern means the hair easily breaks off at the tips, and just combing, brushing, definitely using relaxer will create a lot of damage to our hair, and it sheds and the ends break. And so even though our hair is growing, it looks like we don't have any length that we're holding on to. So this is my hair maybe a month or two after my third Cezanne application. And I'm just showing an example of how easy it is in the mornings to unwrap my hair and then comb it out. Usually I'll put a part in the middle and maybe, if I want, wear a headband. But it's just so easy. And the hair really does stay this way all day until I wrap it again in the evening. It's easy to get the comb through. I don't have to use a lot of product. Basically, I just, in between my shampoos, I just use oil. And you'll find when you shampoo your hair, when you have Cezanne, you have to use a sulfate-free shampoo. Then I'll condition, usually with a Shea Moisture mask. Rinse it out. I use a rinse to color my hair. You can see a little bit of the redness at the base of my neck. And then I'll condition once more with a Cezanne or similar conditioner, and then either air dry it or blow dry it. So Cezanne is applied by a professional stylist. There's no pain, there's no burning. This is my hair with the Cezanne product on it. Unlike a relaxer, it's not thick, it's very clear, but it immediately begins to relax the wave pattern of my hair. And this is after it's been blown dried. This is after it's been trimmed, and it's been flat ironed, which is part of the process. Now what's coming up is a picture of my hair just washed, and that's it, air dried, before I started using Cezanne. And it's a very nice curl pattern, but I had a hard time getting a comb through it. I had a hard time with shrinkage. And then after Cezanne, and this is where I just toweled and then air dried, and that was it. Maybe just put a little bit of oil in it after it was dried by air, not by a blow dryer. You see that there's a more relaxed curl pattern, a softer wave, and no shrinkage. And it's a very nice style to do without any heat damage at all. So back to my pre-Cezanne state. I tried everything to keep my hair unfrizzed, including braids, ponytails, flexi rods. No matter what, there was frizz within a half hour, whether I left the house or not. Here are my French braids. There, I've done a ponytail and braided it and put a bobble on the end to keep some of the length. This is a flexi rod set, professionally done. And as you're going to see, it was fabulous while I was in the salon. And, but my hair just frizzed. And these are all pictures and videos of my hair without relaxer. The relaxer has been thrown out.
Keep shaking.
Maybe there's just a tip, 1 or 2 inches on the ends of my hair that's left. But it looks great, right? Flexi rod set looks great. But then the next day, woke up, tried to take my hair down, and it was frizzy. The coils were uneven. I could not wear it out in public like that. So I totally gave up and was gonna go back to relaxer, but then I thought more about keratin treatments and did a lot of exploration. I've had friends who've used them. Their hair has fallen out. Their hair has broken off. But I discovered Cezanne. That's natural and doesn't have any formaldehyde at all. Has a lot of healing agents in it, and oils and vitamins. And so I went to a professional African American hairstylist who understands black hair. My hair has never been more manageable. This is a video of my hair. It's been raining all morning. It stopped raining in the afternoon, but still very humid outside. I was out and about all morning into the afternoon. There is no frizz at all. And this is after Cezanne. I've washed my hair. I used a blow dryer and then flat ironed it, and it was great. You know, I probably wash it and blow dry and flat iron twice a month, and the texture of my hair, the curl pattern remains straight until I wash it again. And then once I wash it, put water into it, my curl pattern comes right back, maybe just slightly more relaxed than before. So this is maybe 5 months after my third Cezanne application. I've had it 3 times. That's a picture of my hair 5 months after the third treatment. And I just blew it dry with my Dyson blow dryer on room air, just on room air. And so it's a little thick, but I probably would wear it in a ponytail. Even if I braided it, I would like the braid. It would be very nice, easy to comb through, easy to manage. So this is just basically some information about my experience with it, how I recommend going to a stylist who understands Cezanne and understands heat application to black hair. I can usually do my hair at home with a flat iron at maybe 360, 375 degrees, and that does the job. I like to first blow dry using the room air setting, and once it's dry, maybe I'll even braid it and wait till the next day and then flat iron it to make sure it's fully dry. All I have to put on my hair in between washes is maybe a little oil. That's it. And then I wrap it every night, put a net on, and then my satin bonnet, and I sleep on a satin pillowcase, get up the next day, and the hair easily unwraps and combs and stays in place all day. So again, this is my Cezanne experience. This is a natural keratin with no formaldehyde. I could not recommend any other type of treatment, but I did do a lot of research on this, and I've had it now for over a year and a half. I am going in for my 4th application in a week, and it hasn't done any damage. My hair is healthier than ever. It no longer sheds. It used to be all over the bathroom floor, and now that just doesn't happen. So I like it, and I have had a wonderful experience. Thank you for watching.